And today, special thanks to our friends at Daqa who were nice enough to send us this 150-foot Gen 3 cable for the Starlink V3 dish. Inside of this box is exactly that, a 150-foot Ethernet cable, nothing else in the box, which you would use this to, of course, run from your Starlink dish that would be outside all the way to inside of your place where your Starlink router would be. Now, one thing you may notice about these is they don't have that typical RJ45 Ethernet release. These are actually a special release, so they literally just plug in. And to be 100% honest, how you pull these out of your Starlink dish or your Starlink router is you just hold it tightly and pull and it will release. This is 150 foot of cable. They give you the 2 cable ties, and if you look down in here, you can see it is outdoor rated, and shockingly it doesn't mention the connection, but it's category 6. So of course, with 150 feet of cable, you can run your dish wherever you may need and plug it right in with the special connectors and all. Really great item from our friends over at Daqa. Thanks again to them who were nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.